Hi guys, Kelly here with PlantX. Today I'm going to show you how to build a dressing from scratch. So today I'm going to teach you how to build a vinaigrette. So a vinaigrette is a classic salad dressing, and as a rule of thumb, it's 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. So here I have 3 tablespoons of walnut oil and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. And then you can kind of add in whatever ingredients you want. So in today's dressing, I'm actually going to be using a little bit nutritional yeast. So this is half a tablespoon. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in. A little squeeze of lemon. And you can add as little or as much lemon juice as you want. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of a grainy mustard. So this is 1 tablespoon. I've chopped up some fresh basil here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that in. That's about 1 teaspoon. A little bit of fresh cracked pepper. Some salt. And you can add some sort of sweetener. Maple syrup is a really great option in vinaigrettes. Once you've combined all the ingredients into a mason jar, simply just put the lid on and give it a really hard shake. You just want all those ingredients to kind of blend together and almost emulsify. So you got your dressing like so. If you're using any sort of fresh ingredients, then you need to refrigerate it after you've made it. And then it'll generally last for about 5 days. So I'm gonna put this one in the fridge and it'll last for about 5 days.